Hey, I'm James with PNW Outdoor Reviews, the channel for honest and simple reviews. And today we are talking about the Columbia River Knife and Tool Endorser. Let's see if that shows up well for you guys. I love the color on it. It's just really neat. But the CRKT Endorser, I've been using this for about a month and a half now. It's just my everyday carry knife. And I really like it. It's small enough to where it doesn't get in the way. You know, I really don't notice it. You know, if I reach into my pocket to grab my keys or something. Like I said, it doesn't get in my way. It's comfortable in my pocket. But a few of the features that I liked about it. First off, the thumb stud there, the fire safe thumb stud actuation. It serves as a lock, so you can't open the blade without pressing that. And it also has the outburst assisted opening. So it's under some tension, so it springs the knife up a lot quicker. Again, some really cool features, you know, for some quick deployments, and you don't have to worry about this coming open accidentally in your pocket, which nobody wants to experience that. So for an everyday carry knife, it's pretty practical. Like I said, it's safe to carry, it's quick to open, it is insanely sharp. I've only sharpened it once, just very quickly, just to see how much sharper it could get, and yeah, it got actually sharper. So you guys, wherever I dropped it, there it is, recommended, because I didn't do it on the last video, so I'm sorry. I should have showed it cutting something. So I got some paracord, I ripped apart one of my bracelets, and just to kind of demonstrate, you know, how quickly, I guess, oh my gosh, if I could hold it correctly. Here we go, okay. I mean, it just goes right through it like butter. So cuts paracord really nicely. Quick specs, it's just over 3-inch blade, so 3.18 inch blade. The overall length is 7.3 inches long, and when it's closed, it's just over 4 inches when it's closed up. And it only weighs just over 3 ounces for those who want the technical specs. But, you know, it's got the satin finish on it. The only thing, I don't know if this will bug people or not, so the pocket clip, you can't actually move it around at all. It's only in this spot. So there's no other pre-drilled holes for you to move it, for those who prefer it, you know, a different setup, so to say. But other than that, like I said, I've been really happy with this knife. And, you know, like I said, I'll probably continue carrying this as my everyday carry until I have another one to test and review. But in the meantime, like I said, this will stay in my pocket. But and again, it's an affordable knife. I actually found this one off Amazon as well. So I'll leave a link in the description for those who are curious and may want to carry one of these themselves. But, you know, guys, that concludes the review on the CRKT Endorser. I want to thank you guys for watching, supporting the channel. Really means the world to me. Thank you very much, and I want you to have a great day.